In this video, I'll explain how to find your Starling bank account number and sort code. So while I'll be showing the official Starling bank website for reference, please note that accessing your full account details requires logging in into the Starling mobile app. So keep listening to understand exactly what to expect. So to begin with, visit the official Starling bank website to familiarize yourself with their services and features. So now to find your account number and sort code, open the Starling Bank mobile application on your smartphone and log into your credentials. So on the home screen, tap the plus button or plus icon next to your account balance and then select account details from the menu. And then in here, you'll see your account number and sort code display clearly. So additionally, you can find your IBAN and SWIFT BIC codes in these sections, which are useful for international transactions. So for most Starling personal account holders, the account number is also printed on the back of your debit card. However, if you have one of the older purple or early teal cards, the account number might not be displayed there. So remember, while the website provides general information, accessing specific account details like your account number and sort code requires the mobile app for security reasons. All the links to Starling Bank's official website and support pages are in the video description below. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.